Look at this beauty right here. GMC Denali, brand new, about to get the best tonneau cover in the market here at TonnoFlip shop. First thing we're gonna do is gonna place this rail on top of the bed. Make sure the rail is aligned and this part is touching the bulkhead here. Now we're gonna proceed to install the clamps. Pressing firmly here, making sure that the rail doesn't move. We are gonna go ahead and get one of the clamps here. We are gonna open it. We are gonna make sure that this thread here is grabbing the thread here on the rail. We are gonna place it here. We're gonna make sure that you press it all the way up so it grabs the rail, and then we are gonna tighten it. While pressing, first clamp installed, we're gonna be installing the second one, and it's gonna be placed about right next to the prop clamp here. We're gonna tighten it, making sure. Gonna be installing the third clamp. It's gonna be placed here, just above this area here. Now the last clamp is gonna be installed in the back, all the way to the back here. Now this rail is finished. We're gonna make sure it's properly aligned. Again, touching the bulkhead here, it sits flush and perfect, and we're gonna do the same process on the other side. Now we're gonna be installing the drain hose here on the rail. Any water that comes through here is gonna go through this hole and through the hose here. This truck comes with a factory hole. You should be able to run it through. If it's too small, you have to open it up a little bit and then run the hose through it. It's optional for the customer if you want to open it more, or just leave it there and then the water will go down. Now he's going to be placing the bed cover on the rails, making sure that it's aligned and that it latches on the rails. He's going to push it all the way to the front here, making sure that this part is hitting the bulkhead, so it's all the way forward here. These are all the parts that you get in the buckle strap kit. Now he's gonna be installing the buckle strap kit here on the tonneau cover. We are finished with this installation. As you could see, very simple. Anyone can do it. With this simple video, you can make this installation successfully in about 30 minutes. Hard folding tonneau cover. Look how it sits on it. Now we're gonna take off these rubber bumpers that are used for shipping purposes only. You do not need to leave this on. It does not look good at all. So you take it off, very easy here. Remember, this tonneau cover holds up to 800 pounds of weight on top of it. You can step on it, the panels are not gonna bend. As you can see here, nothing is gonna happen to this tonneau cover because it's been proven with 800 pounds of weight on top of it. You can see the video on YouTube of this test and many other tests, water tests, fitment tests, and so on. You just need to subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. As you can see here, I'm just gonna use the prop rods so you can see how to operate them. Once you open the tonneau cover, you get 100% access to your bed here. You can drive with the cover fully open, even at highway speeds. You're just gonna drive around with it open. Use the two prop rods. I'm gonna close them up here real quick. Again, hard folding with aluminum panels. Very easy to operate from the bed or from the outside. We get two handles on each panel, one on the left side, one on the right side for easier operation instead of a cable. There it is. He's gonna clean it up now. So we're gonna take it outside so you can see how it looks. Meanwhile, we're installing a hard folding tonneau cover as well on this Tundra TonnoFlip shop. We've been doing this for 14 years. Now we're bringing our website to the United States, TonnoFlip.com. Let's wait for a little bit until he cleans it up. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. Here it is, GMC Denali 2025 with the best tonneau cover. Look how it sits on this bed, completely flush. Guys, it's raining here in Puerto Rico. I'm about to do a water test here. I cannot plan this because I cannot control the rain. So let's open up and let's see if any water comes through this tonneau cover. Let me see. Oh, remember, it works perfectly if you have this dual tailgate. As you can see, you can open the whole thing. It closes the top part here and it closes as well. Let's see if any water is coming through this tonneau cover. As you can see here, everything is dry. No water coming in. I know it's not raining a lot, but some tonneau covers, even with a little bit of rain, are leaking. So you can see that no water is coming in. This is how it looks installed on this Sierra Denali 2025. If you have a pickup truck and you're thinking about the best tonneau cover, don't forget about TonnoFlip. You can visit our website, TonnoFlip.com. We are launching in March 2026. And remember, if you like pickup trucks, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We do trucks every day here, and we're gonna be uploading every day so you can enjoy the Puerto Rico vibe of pickup trucks. Now, coming to the States.